If you're listening to this, it's probably because something inside you wants to change. Not just a wish or a passing thought, but a quiet pull from within that says, my life can be more than this. Here's the truth most people never realize. Change doesn't start with action. It starts with clarity. The human mind can't chase what it can't see. So before you move, you need to know exactly what you want, down to the last detail. If you're serious about changing your present life, pause for a moment. Notice that deep desire within you, a feeling of wanting more. That feeling is your mind and body signaling readiness for change. Here is a simple, practical plan, one that aligns with how humans focus, believe, and grow. The plan. Write down, in order of importance, the things and conditions you truly want. Do not be afraid of wanting too much. Go all out when writing your desires. Change your list daily. Add or remove items until it feels right. Don't be discouraged by changes. This is natural. There will always be changes as you grow, achieve, and desire more. 3 positive rules of accomplishment. 1. Read your list 3 times a day, morning, noon, and night. 2. Think about what you want as often as possible. 3. Do not talk to anyone about your plan, except to the great power within you. That inner power will reveal to your conscious mind the method of accomplishment. You may not have full faith at the start, and that's okay. Some desires may seem unreachable, but write them anyway. You don't have to analyze how this power will bring your desires to life. If you follow the plan and rules, the method will unfold naturally, as mysteriously as the ear of corn grows from a single seed. New desires that rise to the top of your list are signs of progress. Removing old ones is progress too. When doubt appears, read your list. Speak to your inner self until the doubt fades away. Nothing can stop you from receiving what you truly desire. Others already have these things. Why not you? Your mind is easily influenced by others, so choose your company wisely. Spend time with people who already have some of the things you want, but don't discuss your method with them. Be specific about your material goals: the style, color, price, amount, and date. If it's a business goal, list the numbers and expected outcomes. You can't reach a desire you haven't clearly defined. When progress begins, a natural enemy called discredit will appear. You might think it was just a coincidence. When that happens, give thanks to your inner power for the accomplishment. Gratitude builds faith, and faith ensures continued success. Gratitude creates happiness. When you thank the power within, do it sincerely. You don't need to have it all figured out. You just need to start. Every word you write, every time you read that list, you're telling your mind, this is where I'm going. That tiny act of belief shifts something deep inside. Your focus sharpens, your energy rises, and your life begins to move. Yes, you'll have days when progress feels slow, when doubt gets loud. That's normal. It means you're growing past who you used to be. Keep going, keep believing. The truth is, the power that creates worlds lives inside you too. And the moment you stop waiting for a sign and start acting like you already have one, that's when everything begins to change. In the end, it all comes down to one moment of truth. Your life begins to change the day you decide to take it seriously. Every goal you write down, every time you read it, every time you choose to believe just a little more, you're shaping the person you're meant to become. Yes, that's when everything begins to change. You are shaping the person you're becoming. You'll have moments of doubt, but that only means you're stepping into something bigger than your old limits. So stay with the process. Keep your vision close. Remind yourself why you started, because when you show up with real intention, life starts working with you. Doors you couldn't even see before begin to open, and soon you're not chasing a better future, you're walking right into it. Thank you for watching. Remember, every challenge is a chance to grow. Stay positive and keep shining. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring content. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Keep shining and see you in the next video.